Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily delete a comment from Instagram in 2023, so let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have your app updated, and then after that go ahead and open it. Once you do, from here you'll need to locate the comment that you want to delete, so tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you access your profile, find the post that you want to delete a comment from. Let's say I want to delete a comment from this cat post right here. I tap on it, and then I tap on view all comments. Once all of the comments show up to me, choose the one they want to delete. Let's say I want to delete the first one. All I need to do is to tap and hold on the comment. And once this blue bar shows up, you can tap right here to maybe block the user or report the comment before deleting it. Now to delete the comment, all you need to do is to tap on the trash can right here. You can undo that by tapping here in the bottom. But if you go ahead and delete the comment and you do not tap on undo in the bottom, the comment will be deleted permanently. And that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe as well for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.